What's your name? What's your name? Cherry. How old are you? 6 or 7?
6.
I
And
6. Okay. How are you today?
happy.
Very good. Cherry, are you hungry?
No.
No. What food do you like? I like. What food do you like?
No.
You don't like food? Do you like apples? Yes? Yes, you like apples? Yes. Okay, do you like hamburgers?
No.
No. Okay. What color do you like? Do you like pink?
Pink.
Oh, I like
Pink.
good job. Okay. Now let's start our speaking test, Cherry. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. So show me your finger. Where is your finger? Finger. Okay, now look. Here. What is this?
Peter. Panda.
Good. What is this?
Little Peter.
Good.
Little Joy. Little Pop.
It's a heart. Very good. How are you today? I.
And Lucy.
I.
And Zach.
Good job. Who is this? My grandma. Okay.
And sister. And brother.
Okay.
And dad.
Good job. Okay. What says B? But.
Banana. Ox. Book.
Good job. Cherry, next. Let's move on. Which one is put away? Which is put away? Which one?
Put away.
Good. Which one is put down?
Put down.
Good. Which one is fly?
Flag.
Good. Which one is get in bed?
In net.
Good. Which one is kiss the mommy?
Mommy.
Which one is say goodnight?
Selena.
Good job. Wow. Yes, Jerry. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say goodbye to teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye.